quickly and accurately change cut depth and or percentage of slope during operation. This system also allows the operators to change between grade sensors, or what we would call hot swapping. If the grade reference changes, the operator can swap between the side plate to the inboard ski or the sonic averaging system. As our demonstrator instructors were bringing that machine into the cut, they were using the ramp in feature of this automation system, where the depth and distance are set into the controller. This system also provides the operator the ability to perform a cut where it can go right to the, to perform a plunge cut where it can go right to the preset grade. Another feature of the automation system is called obstacle jump. So here, as our operators are coming through the cut, if there is an obstacle, let's say there's a manhole cover or a manhole out there in that cut area, using this automation system, they can actually go up to that obstacle, come up out of the cut or out of that previous grade, tram over that obstacle, and then returns that machine to the previous cutting depth in auto, helping to simplify a currently manual task. The conveyor system on this machine does provide 60 degrees of swing from center, left or right. This helps to provide additional options when loading varied hauling units, such as tandem dump trucks, maybe truck and trailer, out there on the job sites. We also provide the operator with variable speed control of the secondary conveyor to help maximize their productivity while in the cut. The crew is able to use any of the multiple displays located in the operator station or at ground level to make changes to the grade system that we've just discussed, or simply to monitor the machine parameters. The displays can also be viewed in 26 different languages, and the great thing about those display monitors is they can be monitored simultaneously. So if the operator in the operator station reads or speaks Spanish, for instance, and the gentleman on the ground happens to speak or read Italian, they can do that simultaneously from the ground, from the operator station. That's the versatility that we provide to our customers working in this type of application. This machine is also equipped with traction control. The traction control feature will actually start to sense track spin on the variable surfaces that they're working on. If it starts to sense track spin, it will divert the hydraulic power from that track to the opposite corner track, helping to improve that tractive effort on the surfaces that they're working on and continue to be very productive in the mat or the surface that they're working on. This machine is also equipped with load control, so it helps to adjust the propel speed based upon the load of the rotor. So if the rotor gets into some material that it starts to bog down, it adjusts that propel speed down until it gets past that area, and then it will take it right back up to the propel speed that's been set in the controller itself. Notice the operator station. The operator can move from one side of the area to the other very easily. Those controls move from one side to the other, giving very versatility for those operators on that operator station. You see the display monitors down on the ground for the crew that's working down in there, making sure that all the settings and everything is working properly. Now, as we let our PM620 finish up his work there, we'll come back to that in just a minute. I want to highlight our D5K2 working behind here. These grade control systems on track-type tractors are becoming more and more important to customers, and Caterpillar offers a portfolio of grade control technologies through the Cat Connect suite of technology products. The value that these grade control technologies provide to our customers is that it helps less experienced operators learn to be more proficient faster, while also helping experienced operators to get the job done with less effort, resulting in less fatigue at the end of the day through the different shifts that they work. The D5K2 in front of us today is equipped with Cat Grade Slope Assist. This system is a basic form of grade control technology, leveraging sensors that are already on the machine, and helps the operator control blade angles. This slope assist does not control to a specific elevation point, nor does it require any infrastructure, say a laser transmitter or catchers or a GPS base station. As long as there is a known elevation reference point, such as a hub, the operator can work from that point to create the desired slope. This system is very valuable on the job sites where a digital job plan is not being used by the contractor. Notice here our demonstrator instructor, Mr. D. Wayne Jones, has set up in his grading to a 0% main fall and 0% cross fall while he's constructing the road in front of us. Also, the new D5K2 has the ability for power pitch. So as Dwayne's working into he can actually adjust that power pitch of the blade just from the cab. No longer do we have to have service technicians or the operator get out of the cab, adjust that turnbuckle behind the blade. He can adjust that power pitch right from the cab with a roller control on the control lever in his hand. Now I want to let him go over to his next job. Let's come back over to our PM620. You notice as the demonstrator instructor was coming out of that cut area, they're now using that ramp out feature of that automation system. So again, the distance and the grade has been programmed into the controller. So as they get to a certain area, it starts to ramp up and come out of that cut area to where they can then tram over to the next cut. As they're coming out, wait till he gets into the turn here, wait for it. Just kidding. Our demonstrator instructors now, they're going to demonstrate to you the four-leg steer, or what we call coordinated steering. This provides the operators ease of maneuverability in tight work areas. You see there, very tight distance there of that bigger machine. Helps the operators, that crew, when they're working that PM620 in the different environments that they work in, maneuver around and get into position very quick and easily. Now as our 982M working out there in front of us, Caterpillar offers a lineup of purpose-built aggregate handler machines, ranging from the small, medium, and up into the large wheel loader size machines. This 982M aggregate handler machine, as I said, purpose-built lineup provides our customers with the opportunity to maximize their productivity, their profitability, without compromising the life of their machines. Now you heard Jason talking about technology. So let's talk about that on this 982M aggregate handler package. The new subscription-based advanced productivity application is an add-on to our CAT payload system. You heard Jason address the CAT production measurement 2.0 system. This is part of that CAT payload system. This advanced productivity application enhances job site efficiencies as part of the telematics solutions offered across our small and medium wheel loader lineup for consistency and customer ease. This application allows customers to wirelessly download payload, fuel consumption, material and truck ID, as well as specific application measurements for operators such as dig time or cycle time. All of this data can then be compared to established best practices as an opportunity to reward operators who are working efficiently and productively, while also identifying potential operator application training opportunities that would improve the customer productivity while lowering their owning and operating costs. These training opportunities could be delivered to our customers through our certified dealer instructor network or our very own Caterpillar demonstrator instructors. You heard Jason talk about the new XE economy mode strategy, providing customers with lower fuel consumption depending upon the application that they're working in. The machine you see in front of you is equipped with the new Caterpillar GP Abrasion Performance Series bucket, which has the AR400 steel incorporated into the design for reduced bucket wear. We've also added some safety lighting into this machine. Egress safety lighting itself helps with inclined cab access ladders that are compatible with not only the M series but the K series wheel loader machines that are in the field today. The egress lighting system can be accessed from the ground, so the operator simply opens the service compartment, hits the toggle switch. It will then open the door from the ground surface and at the same time turn that access light that's just above the cab down onto the ladder itself, helping a safer access or egress from that cab or into the cab itself for the operators. We also have LED service lighting in the hood compartment as well as in the articulation area for the transmission sight glass. We also have an audible depth fill indicator, uniquely toned to double beep of the backup alarm at the 90% depth fill level will alert the operator that they've almost achieved the full level of the depth fluid in the machine, helping to reduce any type of spillage. Coming out now in front of us is our 14M Series 3. This building on the legacy of the earlier 14 size motor graders, the new 14M3 takes a heavy road blading machine, leveraging proven designs and technologies of other M3 motor graders in production today, taking this machine to a whole new level. With the Tier 4 final engine, we have increased power of up to 4 to 8% in certain applications. We also have standard eco mode that provides an average of 5% fuel savings while working out on the job sites as well. This engine also comes with the optional compression brake for those contractors that work on a lot of grades out on their job sites, helping to reduce owning and operating costs by reducing that brake wear on the machine itself. We've also added approximately 5% more weight to the machine, helping to put power to work. Adding that increased weight, we've also took the opportunity to increase the weight of the front end of this machine by approximately 1%, which helps provide better front end performance while in the cut. So keeping those front tires down on the ground when they're in a pretty heavy cut or harder compacted material. This machine does have that smarter transmission, that Apex transmission that you heard Wade talk about earlier in the classroom. It's more intelligent, it has consistent shift torque while improving shift quality. It also comes with the event-based shifting, so it senses what mode they're in, the pressure, the load that they're working in, and helps to work with those shifts on that transmission itself, making it more comfortable, more productive for the operators in the field. We've also improved the operator station of the 14M3. We've added in the optional heat and ventilated seat. We have an optional belt indicator for kind of like an operator presence system in there. It has an improved ergonomic design in the cab of that machine, making it more ergonomically correct for those operators who work longer periods on their shift itself. I think one of the most important features that we've improved on in this 14M3 is that we've taken the display monitor that used to be mounted on the right side B pole. We've taken that and we've now integrated that into the dash. That improves visibility while using the technology products that have already been proven on other M3 models. You see here our demonstrator instructor coming across was using the cross slope system. That cross slope system, as he was making the first pass, he could be using that as a survey tool, seeing what the grade, what the slope is in that area, and as he makes his next pass through that area, he can then establish the slope or grade that he needs in that area itself. This machine does come ARO from the factory, or what we call AccuGrade Ready option. That allows our customers to equip this machine with other 2D or 3D grade control systems, such as the AccuGrade Sonic, AccuGrade Laser, or the GPS or Universal Total Station systems that are available to them. Utilizing the advanced control joysticks in the cab, our operator now no longer has to take their hands off the controllers. The operators now can set up the slope targets prior to starting work at the beginning of their day. These slope values can be entered in, allowing the operator to toggle through different slope settings for whichever portion of the job site they're working on. So you see here, as he's going across the road area that we're constructing, he has up to 9 different preset slope targets that he can have in there. No longer, as I said, they don't have to take their hands off the controllers. On those advanced control joysticks, he can toggle through the different settings. So as he went from a 0% maybe on that lower area of the roadway, got up to the road, he now needs a 2% crown on the left side. He toggles through those presets. As he gets onto the roadway there itself, he can actually engage those automatics where it controls one side of the blade and he controls the other. Great new feature, again, helping to reduce fatigue factor for our operators working in those longer periods of time. You notice here as he was conducting the articulated turnaround, we also have our auto articulation, which is an exclusive patented from Caterpillar on the M-Series motor graders, helping to really simplify the operation for operators out there doing a lot of those articulated turns. As he comes back, he's toggled now into the 25% back slope or fore slope of the roadway itself. Again, utilizing those advanced control joysticks, creating the different slopes or target values that he needs on the different jobs. We're going to let him finish up on the roadway there. We're going to call our attention over here to the CB10, which is our 10 metric ton asphalt compactor. These machines can be equipped with a combination of oscillatory and vibratory drums. This design combines Caterpillar's high-performance standard vibration on the front drum with the new oscillation technology on the rear drum. The oscillatory system utilizes the proven pod-style eccentric weight technology developed by Caterpillar and has a 2-year, 2,000-hour service interval, helping our contractors to maximize their uptime while limiting their routine maintenance costs. This is approximately 2 times the service interval level of competitors in the industry today. This also has a durable power transmission that employs a unique belt drive system, delivering 2 times the load capacity of timing belt systems for a more reliable operation. In addition, the hardened drum shell offers exceptional long-term strength on a variety of mix designs and delivers outstanding matte texture, density, and smoothness. This CB10 with oscillation technology builds on the proven durability and performance offered by existing CAT asphalt compactors and delivers the solutions that help our contractors become more versatile, productive, and profitable. Another point on this CB10, the operator station can be moved from one side of the machine to the other, depending upon what lane or what application that they're working in, making that operator station very versatile and comfortable. So in the different applications, the different job sites that they're working in, they have good visibility to the mat or the surface that they're working on. Call your attention back over to the D5K2 working on the back slope. On job sites where a digital plan is available, CAT offers a CAT grade with 3D system. It is an integrated GPS grade control system that incorporates all of the necessary components onto the machine. You'll notice the dual GPS receivers mounted on the back of this machine, the back of the cab, It helps to protect those GPS receivers from potential damage on some of the job sites that they may be working in, but it also helps customers where they do not have to remove or install these valuable components at the end or the beginning of each shift. You heard Joel talk earlier about the rough grade, the grade protection, and the auto carry features of this CAT grade with 3D system. Great new features out there on these 3D technology. This D5K2, as I said earlier, can be equipped with the 2D or 3D grade control systems. This machine is ARO or AccuGrade ready option, as I talked about on some of the other machines, that helps allow our customers to utilize other grade control technologies such as AccuGrade laser, as well as the universal total station where additional accuracy is required, or when they're working inside of a building such as you see here today. Maybe they're working out on a job site where they're working around a bridge abutment, around taller buildings where satellite connectivity is not available. We will continue to offer these portable blade mount grade control solutions for those customers who wish to move their grade control systems between multiple machines on their job site, helping to reduce their owning and operating costs as well. And don't forget our comprehensive grade control support from our SciTech dealers. This D5K2 offers tremendous versatility on the job site, from spreading material, final grading, or working on slopes as you see here in front of you. Folks, that slope that machine was actually working on is a 60-degree slope. Pretty steep, but this machine, you saw just hung on that slope very easily, allowing that operator to perform the task needed to complete that grading. Coming over here to our left now is our 930M. It is an agricultural handler, and this is a purpose-built machine for the U.S. agricultural market. It has 20% faster implement cycle times. We've also have increased payload capacity with right-sized high-lift linkage. So compared to a traditional 926M high-lift, there's approximately 2,500 pounds in additional payload. Compared to the traditional 930M high-lift, there's approximately 1,500 pounds in additional payload. We also have noticed that, we've also proven out that there is a 12% increase in auxiliary hydraulic power for work tools such as silage defacers or other hydromechanical work tools that our customers need in that type of industry. You notice as he was coming in, utilizing that bucket, high volume bucket for lighter density material in that agricultural market is really important to our customers. He was doing a load and carry system where he does have ride control on this machine, so it provides a smoother travel when that machine has material in that bucket. He was bringing that material in, spreading it out. These machines do load and carry applications as well in this agricultural market, as you see here. Leveraging the Caterpillar Intelligent Powertrain system allows the operator to separate ground speed from engine speed with the left pedal, helping to result in lower fuel consumption, lower owning and operating costs for our customers in this industry. It also allows the use of the creep mode with various work tools. You heard me talking about the hydromechanical tools, silage defacers. Having that creep mode really helps to enhance that operation in that type of application. Now this machine, this agricultural handler package, does include all of the 2017 bundle content that you heard Steve talking about earlier, such as the touchscreen display for the operator in the cab. It also has that cat production measurement 2.0 system that I've talked about on the 982, and you heard it's consistent across the board from the small wheel loaders, medium wheel loaders, up to the large wheel loaders. This machine is also equipped with tire pressure monitoring, or TPM, which is another feature that is very important to our customers in the agricultural business. Working now in front of us is the 277D multi-terrain loader. But what I want to call your attention to is the building construction products work tools that is equipped on the front of this machine now. This is the box blade. It does allow 2D and 3D grade control systems to be equipped on this. You see the mass come stationary right out of the factory on this work tool. It is compatible with all skid steer loader interface couplers. It has manual controls using the joystick buttons within the cab, so the operator can do manual operation depending upon the area that he's working in. And when he gets into the area that he can actually engage that 2D or 3D system. You see the machine in front of you right now is utilizing the 2D AccuGrade laser system. So we've got a tripod located on the other end of the arena. Utilizing those laser catchers on that box blade, he can set up the grade that has a separate display monitor in the cab for that control system, where the operator can mount it to the window with a suction cup, so it can be moved from one machine to the next. Again, helping our customers to be very, very versatile while helping to keep their owning and operating costs to a minimum. This box blade does have a rolled moldboard on the front and rear. So you notice, as our demonstrator instructor, Mr. Eric Esposito, as he was pushing that material forward, cutting edge on the rolled moldboard on the front, cutting edge and rolled moldboard on the back. So as he's making a pass to the back, he can maximize his productivity because he's making a cut and a grading pass going forward, and at the same time he can move over and make a grading pass in reverse, utilizing that box blade and 2D system. This machine does come with this work tool. Come with replaceable side cutters and side plates, and it does have the CAT patent pending cutting edge profile. Also provides dual mirrors for visibility to full cutting edge from the operator in the cab. Coming out in front of us now is our 272D skid steer loader. I don't want you to pay attention to that machine nor what the product that he's dropping off. I want you to look at that work tool. That is the Bale grab work tool, now available to our compact construction machines from our building construction product group. That Bale grab, it is interchangeable on any skid steer loader interface coupler equipped machine. So the full line from skid steer loaders, multi-terrain loaders, compact track loaders, as well as our compact wheel loaders. It can accommodate from a 71-inch diameter up to an 84-inch round or square bales. It has that tubular arm construction, eliminating any damage to the round bales that we've seen in the past. It also has a bolt-on step for safe entry and exit from the machine cab. This work tool is equipped with the CAT XT3 hoses. And folks, This is just a little sneak preview of the CAT RP series generator that our omni-channel group will present to you tomorrow. Thank you very much.